Hello and welcome to today's class on Zaffrani Murg Korma. For this we will need some almond and cashew nut paste, desiccated coconut, kesar and warm milk, some ginger garlic paste, some whole spices and some curd. Start with making a paste of fried onion and curd. It should have this consistency. Then start with marinating the chicken. For 400 grams of chicken, start with marinating with salt, around 1 teaspoon, black pepper, half a teaspoon, then ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon, and about 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix well the mixture so that the chicken absorbs all the ingredients. Mix them properly and then set it aside for 30 minutes inside the refrigerator. Then we will temper the chicken. So in a medium pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add some spices and then add the chicken. Delicately cook the chicken. Add some water to set the consistency and cover with a lid and cook for about 20 minutes. Once done, remove the chicken from the broth. You can retain the broth and add it in the chicken. Then start making the gravy. Again, heat some ghee in a pan. Then we start adding some green cardamom and bay leaf. Extract the flavors. Then add ginger garlic paste. Once this is cooked, add in the mixture that we prepared earlier of fried onions and curd. To the gravy, add the paste of almond and cashew nut, and then the coconut. Zaffrani means saffron, and we are flavoring it with the chicken with saffron. That's why it is called Zaffrani Murg Korma. After adjusting the seasoning, we'll add the chicken to the gravy and cook for about 5 minutes so that the chicken absorbs the gravy and retains all the flavors. Once the consistency is set, you know that the chicken is cooked. It's a very easy recipe. Finish it off by adding almond and kesar milk. That's how it is made, Zaffrani. This is how the consistency should be. Then for the garnish, pour it over a nice piece of crockery. use some fried onions and barista to garnish the chicken. And that is how you prepare Zaffrani chicken korma. It's a very easy recipe. Make sure you try it and let us know how it was. Thank you for watching.